Yes, good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed politics after emergency. As soon as the emergency was over and the Lok Sabha elections were announced in 1977 to be turned into a referendums, in January 1977, after 18 months of emergency, the government decided to hold Lok Sabha elections, and in this election the Congress party was defeated, and the first time since independence as it could win only 154 seats. There was the dominance of the Congress after independence, and only in the 1977 the Congress was defeated for first time, and the Janata Party government came to power. And after the election there was a stiff competition between the post of the prime ministers Morarji Desai, Charan Singh and Jagjeevan Ram, and Morarji Desai became the prime ministers. The Janata Party, after that there was a split in the Janata parties, and the government which was led by Morarji Desai lost his majority in less than 18 months, and then fresh Lok Sabha elections were held in 1980s, and which the Janata Party suffered a load, and in that election Janata Party defeated the elections, and once again the Congress won the elections. And this is our last topic. What was the legacies? Fundamental rights of the property was made a legal right. When जनता पार्टी केम इन टू पावर, तो उन्होंने एक जो है मेन सबसे पहले क्या किया कि फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी वाज मेड ए लीगल राइट, एंड द पावर्स ऑफ द जुडिशरी वर रिस्टोर्ड. कि इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे जो पावर ऑफ द जुडिशरी थी वो खत्म हो चुकी थी, उनको दोबारा से रिस्टोर्ड किया. एंड देन फंडामेंटल राइट्स वर मेड superior in comparison to the directive principle of the state policies. कि fundamental rights को superior किया in the comparison of the directive principle of the state policies. And next is the 44th amendment was passed by the Janata Party. कि जनता पार्टी ने 44th amendment पास की, and all the negative feature of the 42nd amendment वर करेक्टेड. और जो भी करेक्शंस 42nd अमेंडमेंट में जो कांग्रेस के द्वारा जो गलतियां की गई थी उनको 44 अमेंडमेंट में ठीक किया. एंड नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस चैप्टर, एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. नेम द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी विच केम टू पावर एट द सेंटर इन 1977. कि उस पार्टी का नाम बताने की जो कि पावर में आई इन 1977 की इलेक्शन में. विच वाज दैट पार्टी? द जनता पार्टी एंड इट्स allies केम टू पावर एट द सेंटर बाय डिफीटिंग कांग्रेस पार्टी. नेक्स्ट वन इज द मेंशन द मेन रीजन फॉर द डिफीट ऑफ कांग्रेस पार्टी इन द इलेक्शन ऑफ 1977. कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है वो 1977 के इलेक्शंस में क्यों डिफीट हुई? द मेन रीजन फॉर द डिफीट ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी वाज डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी बाय द देन द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड एंटी डेमोक्रेटिक नेचर ऑफ देयर गवर्नमेंट. कि सबसे मेन रीजन डिफीट का क्या था कि कांग्रेस के द्वारा जो था इमरजेंसी लगाना, और इसके अलावा जो है एंटी डेमोक्रेटिक इन द नेम ऑफ द डेमोक्रेटिक एंटी डेमोक्रेटिक जो चीजें थी उसको किया गया, और मेन रीजन जो था यही था. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. क्वेश्चन 1, नेम द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी which came to power at the centers at the center in 1977. In 1977. Second one is, yes, next is mention the main reason. Mention the main reasons for the defeat of defeat of Congress party in the election of 1977. Yes, these are the two questions. And next question is, who led the railway strike in 1974 and what was its main demand? जो 1974 में रेलवे स्ट्राइक किसके द्वारा की गई थी? रेलवे स्ट्राइक was led by George Fernandez. And what was the main demand related to this? Its main demand was to the bonus and service conditions. The main demand was to the bonus and the service conditions. Next question is, who led, question number 3, who led the railway strike? Who led the railway strike in 1974? What was its main demand? What was its main demand? Yes, next question is, yes, students of which two states started agitation against the rising food prices in 1974? कि स्टूडेंट्स कौन सी टू स्टेट्स के स्टूडेंट्स थे जिन्होंने कि फूड की राइजेस प्राइजेस के लिए जो है वो स्ट्राइक की थी? विच वन द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ गुजरात एंड बिहार. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, question 4, students of which two states started agitations against the rising food prices in 1974. Yes, student of which two states? The students of Gujarat and Bihar. Yes, why did the magazines like Seminars and Mainstream choose to close down after the declaration of emergency in 1975? कि उन्होंने क्यों जो है इन मैगजीन्स ने अपने बंद कर दिए? Because of the censorship of press. Next is, Who was Charu Mazumdar? Next is yes, question number 4. Question 5. Why did magazines like Seminar and Mainstream choose to close down after the declaration of emergency in 1975. क्यों उन्होंने बंद कर दिया? ड्यू टू द सेंसरशिप ऑफ द प्रेस. हु वाज चारू मजुमदार? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Who was Charu Mazumdar? Charu Mazumdar क्या था? Was the leader of the next uprising. He was the founder of the Communist Party. Which was the Communist Party? Marxist and Lenin Party. ML इसको बोलते हैं. And he adopted the guerrilla warfare. Yes, describe any two outcomes of the Naxalite movement. कि Naxalite movements के outcomes क्या थे? One is a Naxalite movement strong in West Bengal and spread to the different part of India. And second one is 9 states had been affected by their activities, and human rights activities alleged government for using violence and harsh measures against them, and criticized government for violating the constitution. Next question is question number 7. Describe any two outcomes. And now question 7. Question 7. Describe any two outcomes of the Naxalite movements. Yes, next questions we will do the next questions tomorrow, and students write down these questions, and these are the questions, and answer these questions and write down in your notebook, and the next questions we will do tomorrow. Yes, thank you.